AutoBodymen.com, your source for classic American muscle cars. Enjoy. All right, this is Mark, my brother-in-law. Say hi, Mark.
Hey, Bill.
Hey, Bill. This is an AutoBodymen video. It's been 8-9 years since we've done one, and it's on a truck. Don't move. Oh, sorry. Don't move because I don't want to show you license plate. We don't do that anymore. This truck, what kind of truck is it, Mark?
Silverado Z71.
And it's fast. It handles really well, and it does burnouts. I don't know. I can't tell you why I know that. I just know it does that. Mark was driving down the road, and this, again, I apologize for my shaking. It's crazy. This, I've never seen a piece of, he thinks it's a carriage bolt in his tire, and we just pulled it out. I'm sorry I didn't do that. I wasn't thinking about doing a video, but this tire, he's prepping for a plug, and we're hoping it's going to go. I'm going to let Mark display the bolt to you. Here, Mark. Get Mark, show him. Show him what you pulled out of your tire. He pulled this out. Thank you. He pulled this out of his tire. It's 10 inches long, and it's got a little bend in it. We're going to attempt to plug this today. You know, in a perfect world, we just say new tire, but it's not a perfect world, and if we can save money, we will, right, Mark?
Yep.
So we're going to plug this tire. I'll show it to you on video, and plugging a tire on AutoBodymen. I can't even believe I'm doing an AutoBodymen video. Here it is.
It's going to be tough.
Why do you think that?
Because it, ripped into it.
I know, and it ripped in and it ripped out, and it's got a lot of threads on it that went through the tire in and out, which is not good. I don't know if hopefully that's in focus. There it is. That thing went sliding into his tire. He was able to get home, and now we are attempting to plug it. And I guess this video is plugging a tire at AutoBodymen. Mark right now is roughing it up, and actually, Mark, I don't think you need to do that, dude.
Nah.
I don't think you need to because it's roughed up by the bolt. It's big hole. We're gonna try. We don't have a lot of hope as we investigate and look at this hole.
This has to get back, though.
What do you mean back?
Somehow we have to hold that back when you put the plug in.
Yeah, we will. And we're gonna goo it up. We're gonna wait. Do that again. Yeah, that's good enough. That's good. It's got a flap to it. So this is it's on the tire. I'm moving my tire. Your tire, sorry. It's on the tread, which is the good news. If it was on the sidewall, ruined tire. This is a crapshoot, and we're going to test it. Mark's, I hope, are you going to drive it today?
Yeah.
You are?
Yep.
Mark's hardcore. Mark's going to drive it and test it, so I'll be able to do a video to see if he's successful, but we're going to let it set for a couple hours before he drives it and stay close because the odds are good this isn't going to work. But we'll see. We have to be hopeful, right? We have to be positive.
Yeah,
right?
man.
There you go. All right, here we go. Plugging it. Just saying to Mark that forgive me for videoing all this while he's trying to get his tire fixed because I said it's an idiosyncrasy that I video everything. Is that not true, guys? All right, here we go. We've got it through the hole, and the other side's a little flattened out, which I'm not happy about, but we had to pull through. It wasn't easy. We're now going to goo it up with rubber cement and then insert it into the tire. All right, so here we go.
The hole's like this.
Yeah, okay. So here we go. This is going to be inserted, and I'm going to push this in, all the way in to the tire, really hard. Now it's in. See that? Sorry for the bad video. I'm doing it with one hand. Now I'm going to pull it out slowly.
All right.
A little bit more now.
No, that's good.
Okay, so what we're doing is we're shaking it around. I'm moving it around, letting the glue get in there. And what we're going to do is we're going to cut it off and hope that this fixes the hole. Sorry for the shaking video, guys. It was usually one hand and videoing at the same time. All right, so there it is. And it's not pretty, but if it works, that's all that matters. And nobody's going to see the inside of this tire if you're thinking cosmetically. But this is obviously not a cosmetic video. This is a fix a radial tire with a giant, huge, crazy size bolt in there. Mark's getting his air set up. We're going to cut this off with a knife, and then we're going to see if this works. It's a big gash. It doesn't look good. I'm saying that only now because Mark can't hear me. Like I'm gonna go. This is gonna be 50-50, maybe. No, I didn't say action. Ready? Cut higher, cut higher. No, no, no. No, cut down on it. Yeah, like that. Cut down on it like that. There you go. That's the easy way to get it out. You don't want to cut it too close because it could fall back into the tire. Well, it won't fall back into the tire, but it might not make a seal. It's ugly. Mark's gonna wait a couple hours. Are you want to put air in it now? I think it's too soon. You don't think it's too soon? Maybe not. The air should seal it. The pressure will help it maybe. We're gonna put air in the tire right now and mount it back on this baby. And again, we're gonna instruct it. Except for maybe your back tire. All right, that's plugging the tire, guys. We'll see if this one's successful. We're always a crapshoot. Am I doing better? See, I'm trying to keep myself out the videos and just giving you content when I do cars. See, I'm getting better. What you can do that my dad told me about, which I almost forgot, is you can listen. Just listen for the leak, or old school, spit on it and see if there's bubbles. We saw a little bit of bubbles. Yes, it's not a good idea for your tire to put on stop leak, but this might save the tire. So Mark's gonna try it out, but I don't hear anything right now. Sounds good, Mark.
Bill,
all right, so
don't put the cover on.
No, I'm not putting the cover on it, Dad. What I'm doing is I'm letting the air out of the tire. The reason I'm doing this is because, unfortunately, the leak is still there. I spit on it, and it's bubbling. So what we're doing is we're relieving the pressure from the tire so the stop leak can go into the tire, and then we're going to put pressure on the tire again, and Mark's going to drive it right away. The reason he's going to drive it right away is because he's got to rotate the stop leak around the tire. I personally don't like stop leak, because my theory is that the chemical eats up a little bit of the rubber on the inside. That's my theory. You guys can disagree with me, but
I worked for US Rubber for 5 years.
Yeah, Dad, go ahead. Go ahead. You worked for US Rubber for 5 years. What do you think? What's your opinion about stop leak?
It'll fix your tire.
Yeah.
Fix your tire.
But isn't there a risk of it being out of balance or anything? Using chemicals in the floating around the tire?
The plug will be it. That's why they want you to run it. Once you put stop leak in, take it out and run it.
Yeah, that's the plan. Well, my dad disagrees with me about the stop leak. I don't like it, but my dad is for it. It works, and that's unfortunately what we're gonna have to do with this tire because it's got a major gash, and you saw why. So.
Oh, I'll tell you, with that
stop leak going in.
You know.
All right. My dad's a proponent. I'm not. Just for the record.
Can't supposed to be upright. 2 more.
Yeah.
Mark tubes inside.
Mark is going to put the stop leak into the tire. What we have done is, my dad's idea was to put it on an angle so that the tire, when the stop leak plugs in, it will be at the hole, and it will definitely cover the whole hole. Well, it will cover it once it starts spinning.
What way, Dan? This way?
No, the other way.
How are you supposed to do that?
Look at the hole. Cause you get any pressure in that? You see him flow?
I don't hear it.
Okay, just for the record, I want to tell you, I owned a shop, and I would have never done this. I would have told them to replace the tire. I would not have plugged it because I wouldn't want the responsibility, but my brother-in-law was insisting on doing it this way, so this is an experimental plug. Normally, as owning a shop, I would not do this. The tire is that damaged, I wouldn't do a plug. So I just had to say that on this video, okay? I owned a shop, and I wouldn't have done this as a shop owner.
Oh wait, there is flow. Boy, that's quiet. Yeah, I just saw a little flow. Is it flowing, Mark? Yeah, it's flowing. Let's look. Should I release more air out of the tire? Is it fighting back, you think?
Well, at this point,
It's going.
It's going? All right, you can see in this little clear tube. Yeah, you can see it. Oh yeah, you can see it on video too. There's the stop.
You shook it up, right, Mark?
Yeah, he shook it. He shook it carefully. He's got it. The can's got to be upright. And
It's not going anymore.
all right, so maybe is that all the whole can? Cut. All right, well, we got it out. It was a little messy. Now there's a little stop leak on the outside of the tire and in the inside of the tire. Mark's going to take it for a run.
I'm worried about the metal.
We're going to mount it up. Mark's going to take a run, and we'll see what we got.
There it goes. You had the finger on the stop button.
Do you don't have any fingers
going
on?
now.
All right, you don't have any fingers on the camera, right, Dad?
What? Nope.
You got numbers?
Yep.
All right, my dad's shooting his first video. He's 82 years old. Pretty cool, Dad. Good job. And he's already trying to art direct me. He says I'm too much in the shot. Anyway, putting the rim back on, and then Mark's gonna take her out for a spin. See what we got. Getting the tire warmed up and rotated to see if that sealant's gonna stick. We'll see if he comes back or he calls us. We will see. You can cut the tension with a knife. All right, it looks good. It looks good. Mark, what do you think? Bring the glass down, Mark. Talk to me. What do you think?
Felt good, but it's high on my meter. It's 39 pounds.
Hey, that's something good to complain about, right?
Yeah.
All right, good. Drive forward a little bit. All right, hold. Well, I can't hear anything, Mark, so we're gonna have to watch it for the next day. But success! The tire holds. Amazing. And that's it. That's how you plug a tire. Even with a gash and it's something this big, we were able to make it hold air. So, Bond, James Bond. We'll see. If you don't see another video on this, it actually worked. And I'm against, just for the record, again, I'm against using, what's it called, Dad? Tire flat? What is that stuff called? What do we put in the tire?
What'd you put in the tire?
What do we put in the tire? Just
Flat fix. Flat fix.
flat. My dad calls it flat fix. I'm against it. He's for it. That's the way it is. I also want to add to the end of this Auto Body Man video because it's been a while and you guys, 3,500 subscribers, are probably like going, what? What the heck happened? Where was this guy? I created 2 other channels. One for depression, it's called Isolation Kills, and another channel that was a 4.5-year experience with 7,400 videos called Mustang Medic. So Mustang Medic, Isolation Kills, please jump over there and sub those channels too. Really appreciate it. Thanks.